myself. You can normally find me in Wonderwall at SAH. The book that I'm reading from, I've just helped to put on a production with Year 6 of, and I love dancing. In the middle of the first week of Matilda's first term, Miss Honey said to the class, "I have some important news for you, so listen carefully. You too, Matilda. Put that book down for a moment and pay attention." Small, eager faces looked up and listened. "It is the headmistress's custom," said Miss Honey, "to take over the class for one period each week. She does this with every class in the school, and each class has a fixed day and a fixed time. Ours is always 2 o'clock on Thursday afternoons, immediately after lunch. So tomorrow at 2 o'clock, Miss Trench will be taking over from me for one lesson. I shall be here as well, of course, but only as a silent witness. Is that understood?" "Yes, Miss Honey," they chirruped. "A word of warning to you all," said Miss Honey. "The headmistress is very strict about everything. Make sure your clothes are clean, your faces are clean, and your hands are clean. Speak only when spoken to. When she asks you a question, stand up at once before you answer." "Who are ya? Who are ya? Who are ya? Who's that behind the man?"
Help! Disaster! Baby Toad has hopped onto a major road. Quick, whatever can we do? Look, a superworm lasso. The bees are feeling bored today. They need a nice new game to play. Cheer up, bees. No need to mope. It's Superworm, the skipping rope. Beetle's fallen in the well. Is she drowning? Who can tell? Not to panic, all is fine. It's Superworm, the fishing line. Then toads and beetles, bees and bugs, brother snails and sister slugs, uncle ant and earwig aunt, clap and cheer and chant this chant. Superworm is super long, Superworm is super strong. Watch him wiggle, see him squirm. Hip hip hooray for Superworm.
Who are ya? Who are ya? Who are ya? Who's that behind the mask?
Look out, a poem of hope. Look out of your window. What do you see? Do you see what I see? Do you see the savannah, the thunder, an endless sea of sand, a sheet of ice? Do you see sky meeting land like two brushstrokes, one of blue and one of green? Do you see wide open spaces from your tiny box? Endless possibilities of footsteps yet to be trodden, air yet to be breathed, and oceans crossed. You do, I do too, for this is hope, and hope becomes reality when the window becomes a door and you can throw it wide.